And go for it.
So the first one is holding it close.
That's it. And then find the tension that you need.
And then just
That's it. And you'll keep this stable
stable.
so that you're rotating
Outwards.
outwards, yes. So we don't necessarily want too much space created there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
So 15, 20 times.
Yes, or go just to where you're feeling like it's a bit of a workout.
Yep, okay.
Yeah.
And then a couple of repetitions.
I would do probably 2 to 3 sets.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
That's it. And then
the
we can
other
try the
side.
other.
And the other one is raise it at this angle.
Yes, and just be careful of not lifting that.
Lifting that up.
That's it. Yep, pretty good. Yes. That's it.
Right.
Yes, this is very, very close. And you'll get better as you go where you're not lifting up your shoulder. And again, you're going just to where you can feel a bit of fatigue, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's
The second
probably quite weak. Just be careful of
not going up.
too much there. Yes. Yeah. And don't force yourself. So you don't